some food coloring. You're also going to need a type of oil. So I'm using olive oil in a mason jar, and Haley's using canola oil in her pop bottle. You're also going to need some water and some Alka-Seltzer tabs, such as Tums. So the first thing you're going to do is fill your pop bottle or your jar about 3/4 of the way with whatever oil you're using. The next thing you're going to do is take your food coloring, and you're going to add about 20 drops to about a cup of water.
Make sure you stir it so that the food coloring is well spread out. Should look something like this depending on what color you have.
Very nice. So the next thing we're going to do is fill up our jar or our bottle with our colored water. So you just want to make it basically as full as you can, and you can still get the lid on. Okay, this is looking really good. The next thing we're going to do is drop in about 1/4 of our Alka-Seltzer tab. So you might need an adult's help to cut that, or use scissors to get it cut in half, and then in half again. So you want to add about 1/4. So you actually don't need very much. And we're going to put that right in our jar and then put our lid on.
I'm going to add 2/4 and see if that makes a difference.
Sort of see mine starting to fizz. I'm going to give mine a stir. Just going to see if that helps it dissolve a little bit. Oh yeah, always add more. I always do.
Just waiting for the tabs to break down and dissolve. So once your tabs dissolve, the bubbles should start to come to the top. And that should create the lava effect. And then once they get to the top and they pop, they'll fall back to the bottom, so making a constant flow of up and down. This happens because the water and the oil don't mix, and the food coloring is water soluble, so it doesn't change the oil's color. As well, the bubbles are made of carbon dioxide, and so that's what's popping when they fall.
You can see a couple bubbles starting to sort of float up over here as our tabs slowly dissolve. Sometimes science takes patience, everybody.
I'm going to try to put some already broken pieces in. Oh, some bubbles are starting to form there.
You know, sometimes we're used to those instant reactions, like when we see baking soda and vinegar, but sometimes things take a little bit longer. But you can see the top of Haley's sort of starting to bubble slowly. Mine looks like it's doing even less, to be honest. Oh. Some tiny bubbles are popping up here. No, they're not all green, which is interesting. There's definitely some reactions happening, as Haley talked about earlier. Well, we're going to sign off for today, LabRats, and we're going to keep watching our lava lamps here, and we hope that yours turn out and maybe react a little bit faster than ours did. So we'll see you guys next week.
So after some trial and error, we tried some Alka-Seltzer tablets instead of the Tums, and our results are quite nice now. You can really see the lava going up and down.